All right, well, since my birdies in the tree is gone, I got some more birdies here that has found a little home place under my car. So whenever I get ready to leave, I have to make sure that they're not under my car before I pull off. And here they are. There they are. Mama and her birdies. Look at them over there. Let me go around here. See if I can get a quick glimpse. They always hear me coming. There they are. Look at her and her little chickadees, her little chicks or birdies or whatever. I got rid of my other ones. My other ones left me, and now I got these. I'm not going to hurt you. But look at her and the little babies there. Let me see if I can go around, because she may get defensive. See if I can go around here. Yeah, I see you. Look at the little babies there. They got a spot up under that hot concrete there. Look at, they're getting bigger too since the other, last week when I first saw them. All right. Yeah, I don't have to leave. I'm not going anywhere right now. Oh, look at all that mess down there on the... There they go. Where are they going? There they are. Yeah, I see your little chickadees, chicks, ducks, birds, whatever you are.